This is Ted at Shortlist, and today I'm going to be showing you tasks and projects. When you want to assign work to your freelancers, you can then go ahead and create a project with a name, a description, start and end dates, and a budget. Once this project has been created, you can then go ahead and start creating tasks. You create a task by clicking the button up here. You give it a name, the manager, a description, start and end dates, as well as a partner. You then determine what the fee structure is. Let's go ahead and dive into a task to see what that looks like. We're going to go into Animation Director here for Tom. As you can see within the task, the description that you provided, and in this case it's an hourly task, so Tom can actually log time here in the timesheets that can be approved or rejected. Once approved, you can then have Tom invoice you against the work he's completed, and now you can pay him. Upgrade your plan today and get access to task assignments, milestones, timesheets, payments, and more. Schedule a call today to get started.